Okay, good day, engineers. Okay, so last time we have talked about live loads in general, generally speaking. So, ngayon, pag-usapan naman natin is live loads specifically for buildings. Okay, so dapat kasi alam din natin yung about sa live loads na ginagamit natin uh, for each type of structures. Okay, so this is for buildings. So, mabilisan lang, live loads for buildings are usually specified as uniformly distributed surface loads in pounds per square foot or kilopascal. So, katulad nga lang nung ginawa natin dun sa ating mga nakaraang videos, okay, dun sa kung paano natin distribute from tributary areas. So, we just need to know the tributary areas of the type of the slab that we are using. So, yung live load is gonna be distributed on that slab uniformly, and then we are gonna transfer that onto our structural system or to our beams. That's gonna transfer the load to our columns up to our foundation or our footing. Okay, so ang pinagkaiba lang nun, pag dead loads naman ang gagamit ang ilalagay natin is isasama na natin yung materials natin. Okay, so the steel, the slab itself, we need to get the load per linear meter of the slab and per linear meter of the weight of the beam, whether your beam is a reinforced concrete or it is a steel or like an I-beam. Okay, so minimum floor live loads for some common types of buildings are given table 2.2. Okay, so meron tayong table 2.2 dito. Oh, so it is it came from ASCE 7, okay? So sa atin kasi sa Pilipinas, it is the NSCP 2015. So ayan ko na kayong humanap ng counterpart sa NSCP 2015 in order for you to read mismo yung NSCP 2015, ano? So this is just an example. So nakalagay diyan yung live loads. Siyempre nakalagay yung occupancy or use. So parang types of nung building na ating dinidesign or ating na-analyze, and then we have the live loads given for each use or occupancy type ng ating building. So given in PSF and kilopascal. So PSF is pounds per square foot, and kilopascal is kilopounds per kilonewton per meter squared, because pascal is newton per meter squared, so we have kilonewton per meter squared equals to kilopascal. So babalik lang natin. Okay, so for a comprehensive list of live loads for various types of buildings and for provisions regarding roof live loads, concentrated loads, reduction in live loads, the reader is referred to ACE 7 standard. So yun nga, kung gusto mo mas kompleto, tingnan mo sa ACE 7 standard or you just refer to the NSCP 2015. Okay, dahil yun naman ang ginagamit din sa Pilipinas, although lahat naman ng nasa NSCP 2015 just based on American standards. So doon lang din nagagaling update natin, ano. Yun lang. So peace.